Okay, so you've got that cool new Burr grinder. You're going to make some amazing coffee, but how do you know if what I'm grinding is right for my brew method? What if things change? Can I make my coffee taste better by grinding it differently? Bottom line, how do I properly grind my coffee? Hey there, I'm Eric. This is the Mug Life. I didn't choose the Mug Life. The Mug Life chose me. We're going to talk today about dialing in your grinder. So you just unpacked a brand new Burr grinder and you're stoked to start making some amazing coffee. Question number one, what setting do I use? There are like 40 settings on this one. Which one's the right one for the coffee brewing method that I'm doing? You have several choices that you can do. Choice number one, go to the manufacturer's website and see what they recommend. That's a good start, but how do they know what coffee you're using? Option number two, search the internet for best, insert brewing method here, recipe, and hope that that person who made that recipe was using the exact same grinder and the exact same coffee roasted on exactly the same day with the same water content that you're using. Probably not going to work. Third one is to figure it out yourself. That's so hard. It's not really that hard. Here's a real simple way to make sure that you're grinding your coffee the absolute best way possible for the brewing method that you're using. First, measure out a specific amount of coffee. Pick a reasonable number, maybe what you do all the time. The amount isn't that important. We're going to keep that number consistent while we continue to brew. What's important is that you use the same amount of coffee every time. Second, grind the coffee at what you think is the best setting. Third step, brew the coffee. Fourth, taste it. Is it bitter with a harsh aftertaste? No. Adjust the grinder a few clicks finer. Measure, brew, taste it again. Is it getting bitter and harsh? No. Do the same thing again. Make it a few clicks finer. Measure, brew, taste again. Is it edging into bitter and dry? Yeah. You've gone too far. Back it off a few clicks, and that's what you want to be at. I would bet that after trying this method, you're going to end up grinding your coffee a little bit finer than you normally would. But let me know. Did you try it? Were you surprised at the outcome? Just drop a note down in the comments below. This is definitely only one aspect of brewing coffee, but it is a super simple way to start to dial in your brew. That's it for this week. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little bell thingy, and make sure you serve coffee people love.